Lionize. Lionize means to treat someone with great admiration, respect, and attention, often elevating them to a status of fame or importance. It involves giving someone intense public attention and acclaim, as if they were a highly esteemed and powerful figure, such as a lion, a symbol of strength and majesty. Let's learn about the use and context of the word lionize in conversational situations. That dance performance was amazing.
Absolutely. I'm telling you, they're going to lionize Sarah as the party legend from now on.
Why is everyone so excited about the CEO's visit?
Well, when the big boss comes, everyone tends to lionize him. It's like meeting a celebrity.
Why is the city buzzing today?
Oh, didn't you hear? The actor is in town. People are ready to lionize him wherever he goes.
Why is John getting so many pats on the back lately?
I closed that major deal last week. Now they're all ready to lionize him in the next staff meeting.
Did you go to the parade yesterday?
Absolutely. The way they lionized the hometown hero was incredible. It felt like a movie scene.
Have you seen the new art exhibit?
Yes, and people can't stop talking about it. They'll probably lionize the artist for months.
What did you think of the guest speaker?
Oh, fantastic. The audience couldn't help but lionize every point the speaker made.
Did you attend the book signing event?
Yes, it turned into a lionizing affair. Fans were practically worshipping the author.
Why is there a crowd outside the entrepreneur's office?
They just hit 1 million in sales. The town is ready to lionize them for putting us on the map.
Did you hear about Dr. Jane's latest discovery?
Absolutely. She's a genius. They're going to lionize her in the scientific community for this breakthrough.
In these examples, lionize is used to describe the way people treat someone with admiration and respect, almost elevating them to a celebrity-like status.